Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save data on Android easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save data on your Android device, start by navigating to the Settings app. Open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down and select the Network and Internet option. Tap on Data Usage to view your mobile data statistics. Next, select Mobile Data Usage to see which apps are consuming data. Identify apps that use significant amounts of data. You can restrict background data for these apps by selecting them. Toggle the background data option off. Return to the mobile data usage screen. If you want to disable mobile data entirely, go back to data usage. Toggle off the mobile data switch. Next, to save data while browsing the web, open the Google Chrome app. Tap on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and tap on Light Mode. Toggle the Light Mode option on. This reduces the amount of data Chrome uses when loading websites. Now let's move to saving data on social media apps. Open the social media app you want to adjust, like Facebook or Instagram. Find the Settings menu within the app. Look for Data Usage or Cellular Data Settings. Adjust the options to limit video autoplay and image loading. You can also choose to download media only over Wi-Fi. For additional savings, check your app settings for data saver options. Many apps also offer a dedicated data saver mode that you can enable. Lastly, consider using a data monitoring app from the Play Store. These apps can help track and limit your data usage effectively. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your data consumption on an Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.